Hey there, welcome back to the Nero Chronicle. As you can tell by the title, this is my packing method that I'm using for moving house. I'm in the process of packing up everything at the moment, and I'm hoping this kind of helps you guys out as well if you happen to be in the same situation. I did look at getting little pouches for my nail polish, but it would have cost me like $300 to get enough pouches, so I went with just a giant roll of bubble wrap. So we can see I started out with one. I just coated it or wrapped it in the bubble wrap, put the second one on, wrapped it around, and then again for the third one. This way they stay nice and snug together. They're all covered in bubble wrap, and I'm not having to individually wrap every single one. So this is just to make it as quick as I could, because I've got like 200 odd polishes, and I know that's a small collection to others. And then I just pop them into the box, nice and secure. Don't squish them in too much, but sort of keep them snug so they don't move around. Anyway, I hope this helps you out. I'll see you in a few weeks once I've settled into my new place. Catch you. Bye.